That's the way. Punta kami ng Peyto Lake. Yan. And we're going back na. Yan. Canada is so amazing. Ganda-ganda. Talagang stunning yung kanyang ganda. Punta na tayo sa park. And it's like a trail, and from here to Peyto Lake.
Long way. We didn't go down there. Right? We didn't? Is it that way? Down a hill. We didn't walk up the hill way. Oh.
Ganda guys, so ano siya, surrounded by pine trees, Christmas trees. You need to struggle first before you see the beautiful Peyto Lake. Malapit na tayo sa ating parking. Vlogger din si Kuya. Ganda-ganda oh. Ano? This is our roads na dinaanan. Malamig. Hindi naman sobrang dito kasi ano siya, init. It's sunny. The weather is nice. The mountains. Take the picture. Take a photo. This is it. Peyto Lake. Yun na, may ice pa yung ano, yung mountain. Silipin natin ito. Let's see this. Animals do not migrate hybrid.
What's it called?
What's our ptarmigan? Interesting. Ptarmigan.
Ano dito? Ayan. Other tourists. Ganda. You need to walk. Going down. So nice. Oh. Kayo naman. Enjoy, ang ganda. Para siyang painting. Ay, kabayan tayo nakita guys. Diba? Pag kabayan, ngiti-ngiti lang sila. So stunning guys. So gorgeous. And this is the other weathering though. To survive this elevation, plants need special adaptation. Howling winds can dry them out, crystals can scrape, sudden forest frosts, even summer can freeze the plants. Adaptations helps survive, and you can help them too by staying on the trail. Yun yung mga ano dito.
You are here.
Galing. Going back. Yeah. Ganda ng pointer dito. So different. 5 minutes. I think mga 10 minutes walk. May ibon pa. Ayun, ganda ng ibon. Hello. Picture pa talaga siya, oh. Hi. How are you? Cute. Mga trees. Layo. Yan siya, guys. Yung nalakad. We're heading to the park. Parking area. Hindi ko sa kami park. Let it snow. 2 meters. Oh, really? There can be up to 2 meters of snow every year. Really? Seriously? 2 meters, huh? Yung sinabi niya, there can be 2 meters. The other tourists going back na to the Peyto Lake. Dito sa may kubo. The base to the parking area. This is it. This is the parking sa Peyto Lake. Makikita nyo yung mountain. And this is it. Peyto Lake. Sure natin. Okay. Saan natin ang Peyto Lake. And Peyto Lake. Welcome to the Mount Glacier. Welcome to the highest point, the Icefield Parkway. Sabi niya, you are so high in elevation that you are in the subalpine zone. Winter that can last 9 months here, making it harsh place to live. Oh my God! Thank you for staying straight. Ano sabi niya? Chuk and chuk. Excuse me. Yan, punta na tayo sa ating pinag-parkingan. Peyto Lake. Napakagandang Peyto Lake. Pwede nandito. That's it. Guys, that's it. This is the Peyto Lake. Hindi lang siya lake, makikita mo rin napakagandang mountain. Beautiful mountain. Okay na. Okay na yan. And if you got here, you experience the Canada Dream. Ang ganda. Oh, thank you, Lord, for this beautiful experience. Yeah, this is a Canada Dream indeed. 1, 2. Yan. Thank you, Peyto Lake. Bye.